Herzlich willkommen zum Messecast 2011 auf der Musikmesse Frankfurt. Ich bin hier bei TC Electronics, neben mir steht Thor und wir werden jetzt ein bisschen über TC Electronic, die neuen Pedale, reden. So I just told them that I'm here with, say your name please again.
I'm Thor Mogensen, and I'm the product manager for guitar effects at TC.
And I see lots of pedals here and some pedals I haven't seen before, so tell me a bit about it.
Yeah, we have a ton of new pedals, or 7 actually. So we have 2 analog drive pedals, the Mojo Overdrive and Dark Matter Distortion, so classic dirt grind boxes. Then we have 5 digital pedals, and all the digital pedals have 2 bypass, well the analog ones has 2, and they have something called analog drive-through, so that means that even though they're digital, your dry signal passes straight through analog, and it's only the digital, the wet part of the signal that's converted into digital. So you have no latency, you have, your tone is totally pristine. So the 5 digital ones are a vibrato, the Shaker vibrato. Then we have the Corona chorus, we have the Vortex flanger, flashback delay and looper, and Hall of Fame reverb. So all in all, 5 digital, 2 analog.
What would you say, what way do TC Electronic pedals sound different from other companies, apart from being much better?
Of course they're much better. Well, I think that, we have spent a lot of time fine-tuning our own algorithm, so this is something we've been doing for 30 years, and we have tons of experience. We have, so many pro artists, been using our effects for a long time, and we kind of benefit from that because we get feedback and input. And that's actually one of the really cool things about these new pedals. We've come up with this concept called tone prints. The thing is, when you have a very simple pedal like this, you only have a couple of knobs you can dial in, so we as designers have made a lot of choices as to how the pedals sound. So if you like the pedal, that's good, but if you think that, I wish it was a little darker, I wish the chorus would go a little faster, there's not a lot you can do about that. That's kind of the nature of pedals. But what we've done is that we built this special interface. You can hook the pedal up to a computer. Here on the back side, there's a little USB port. And then we've done this interface that will allow an artist to actually tune the pedal exactly the way they like it. So they have access to all the parameters, literally hundreds on the inside, and they can also decide how the pots are mapped. So let's say they want it to be at a certain speed when you put it here, or they want it to be slow when you go down here. They can basically design the pedal exactly the way they want to. And what we've done is that we've asked all these great guitar players to do their own custom tunings. We call those tone prints. Do those tunings and basically load them up to our website. So when you buy the pedal, you can load a tone print for an artist. Say, we have Steve Morse from Deep Purple, Joe Perry from Aerosmith, John Petrucci, all these great guitar players, they contributed to this. You could go to our website, check out videos of them tuning the pedal, and then you can load that sound into your own pedal. And you basically get like a signature pedal. Only you can change it as many times as you want, and they're totally free.
Of course, that's for the digital pedals.
That's for the digital pedals.
But you like I understood it, you could also change the equalizer settings, for example, if you want it darker.
Yeah.
Or
so let's say you have the flashback delay here. So if you put it on the modulation setting, we kind of decided that it's a fairly neutral sounding delay with some tri-chorus added. But let's say you wanted something that was more analog, darker sounding with vibrato, you can do that. And if you wanted to add some docking, you can do that as well. All the options are totally open. And let's say that some artist I know, for example, Doug Aldrich from Whitesnake, he's always using around 320 milliseconds of delay. He can set it so that when he sets the delay time at here, it's 300 milliseconds. And let's say he never uses more than 100 milliseconds. That could be 100, that could be 600. So he can basically map or design the pedal exactly the way he wants to. And as a regular user, you can then download that tone print and put it into your own pedal. So all the pedals comes with a number of standard tunings that we've done at TC, and then you have one slot to load a custom tone print into.
Okay, well that sounds very, very good.
It's really cool, and it's a ton of fun. I mean, you're basically getting a new pedal, and it's just a matter of going on the website and checking all these cool videos. You see the artist tuning the pedal, playing, and it's a lot of fun.
So how many artists do you have on the website?
All these guys up here are doing this, so we have roughly around between 30 and 40, but we keep building that roster. So right now we have around, I think, 40. But I mean, I know already now that the guys back home are working on the next set, so we have this country package coming out. So we got 8 of the greatest Nashville session players. They're doing tone prints, so those will be online in a couple of weeks. We have, tons of different guys, so that's another benefit of this. We have some shredders, we have some metal guys, we have jazz players, so no matter what kind of style you like, there's going to be some tone prints for you there.
Last thing, you told me before that you have an update for the Polytune?
Yeah, I mean, Polytune came out last year and it's been a tremendous success for us. We're really, really happy, and it's on a lot of boards right now. But one thing we just continue to get feedback on us, can we please have drop D tuning? And well, we do what we're told, so we have a new software coming out in around a month that adds drop D tuning and cable mode as well, so you can put a cable on and tune up. And it's going to be a software update for all pedals out there, so every single Polytune user can go to our website and download it, and it's 100% free. And the way it works, it's really, really easy. You just press and hold the foot switch for a little while. You'll see here, now it says dropped. So now you're in drop tuning. Press and hold again. Now we're back in standard tuning. So if you play a couple of songs in drop D, you just press and hold, do the drop D thing, press and hold again, you're back in standard tuning. So it's actually something you can use on stage. You don't have to bend down and press all sorts of buttons and stuff.
Okay, well, I think it's time to make some music.
Yeah.
So, und jetzt sitze ich hier am Pedalboard und werde mal ein bisschen rumspielen. Als erstes Mojo Mojo, das was er gesagt hat, der Overdrive, den hören wir uns mal an. Ja, so klingen die neuen Pedale von TC Electronic. Dann viel Spaß beim Antesten und beim Musikmachen.